Hello guys, DJ Aaron here. You guys are wondering why I'm doing a screenshot video again. Well, some people probably have a bit of a problem with Windows 8. And, I just want to make it clear, I'm not rolling back to Windows 7. I'm going to stick on 8 for as long as I can. And the reason being is I can do all this pretty cool stuff, like open different programs and stuff. Some people have speculated Windows 7 software won't work in Windows 8. Well, that's where you guys are wrong. Basically, any software that's made for Windows will work in Windows 8. And just to show you, Adobe Audition is an exception. As you can see, it actually works. And all that. I'm not going to get into any detail on recording, but it does work. Another bit of software that people might think that won't work is Virtual DJ. Well, I got news for you guys. It does also work. And as you can see right here, it does work. If I can drop down my menu and go to my hard drive, and then music, and CD rips, it all works perfectly. Now, there's a slight lag because I'm using screen capture software. But as you can tell, it's loading a track like normal, and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, which is it's running in a Windows 7 environment. Another bit of software that people may say that won't work is Audacity. And we all know that Audacity will work on any Windows platform or version or whatever. And it's free. So that also works. Another program that I do love, and I do use on a regular basis when it comes up here, we're using quite a bit of resources because of the screen capture. But another bit of software I like is MP3 Rocket. It's a supercharged MP3 converter, and it uses, I'll just ignore that, but it uses Flash Player for its engine. It's very nice, very slick. I would recommend you guys get this bit of software. It's called MP3 Rocket, fast turbocharged MP3 converter, etc. And that glitched. We have to exit MP3 Rocket. There we go. Another bit of software that I like and I use sometimes to record other shows, if it will come up, it's called Number 23 Recorder. It looks exactly like the old Mac OS, if you want to leave it at that. And it's actually detecting my line in on my computer. There's Number 23 Recorder. And that also does work in Windows 8 because I would have it linked up to my mixer. A lot of these programs will run in Windows 8. Even any video converter, just saying, it's updating or whatever. But a lot of this stuff will run in Windows 8. Even the CPU ID. Okay, there's CPU ID. It's an AMD Athlon 64X2 3800 plus, and there you guys go. It is a full dual core, and I have 3 sticks of RAM, a 1 gig stick, a 2 512 sticks, 64 kilobytes, etc. NVIDIA GeoForce 6150 LE, 2 gigabytes of RAM, DDR2. It's in single channel. So there we go, NVIDIA GeoForce. Memory size 64 megabytes. It is 512 megabytes of internal video memory. Only 64 megabytes is usable. And there we go. Microsoft Windows 8 6.2 32-bit DirectX 11 compatibility. You guys get it. So a lot of this software will work in Windows 8, even VideoPad. It just takes a bit of time because I'm using screen share for all this. There we go. It all works. So for video editing I can do this and all that. So OpenMPT also works in Windows 8. There it is, OpenMPT. There's quite a bit of programs that will work. You got your Microsoft Paint down here. I'll do print screen, and then I'll do a snapshot. There we go. That's what it looks like, etc. Alright, so there we go. I don't want to save. We have, oh, I didn't mean to double click that, but we have Windows Movie Maker, and it actually opened just perfect this time. And there's Windows Movie Maker, and we also have Photo Gallery. There's no photos in there at this point right now because we can add some from the internal drive if we choose, or the secondary drive if we choose to. Specs, computer. Yes, I still have a lot of disk space for this 80 gig hard drive. System reserved. Let's look at the properties. There's Windows 8. There is Windows 8 Pro 2.0 Experience Index, AMD Athlon. Just pretty much the same specs that read in CPU ID, but I'm not showing you the activation key. No. Device manager, we can see what devices we have, which I'm going to do right now. Computer, it's got all the computer devices. That, all that. all that. Modems. That. Network adapters. Portable devices. Reads the flash drives. Or reads the card reader. Processors. We got that. Some hardware. There we go. System devices. We've got every driver and system device already installed. USB, root hub. Software devices work really well. Alright, there we go. There's all my audio inputs. It works. Delay mode devices. There we go. Everything is installed and working properly. Even the human interface. So that's that. Now, people hate Metro, so why do I use it? Well, basically for a calendar and all that stuff. Here's the calendar. There's the All-Star Show. So you have to save that. Close a program, you just go like that. Check the weather. See if there's any storms or anything like that. It just takes a while to open, the weather does. There we go. There we go, we got the weather. Zero precip, wow. There's the radar. Okay, for July the weather is up there. Alright. August, average high 106, average low 81. Record high 116/2003. Record low 64/2008. Rainy days average 7. So that's good. All right. Okay, there we go. We'll go back to desktop. Music. I have everything in my music here. A lot of stuff. All my CD rips so far there. So anyways, that's that. And the browser of choice I use is Pale Moon. So you guys can see that. Everything right there. But anyways guys, that is it. Peace out, practice and enjoy, and we'll see you guys later.